love with me. Hello, Raquel 74. Yung sa inyo. Sometimes goodbyes are not forever. It doesn't matter if you're gone. I still believe in us together. I understand more than you think I can. No, 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 you have to go on your own, so you can find your way back home. Hello, JJ. And somewhere down the road, the roads are gonna cross together. It doesn't really matter where, but somewhere down the road, I know the heart of yours will come to see that you belong with me. Letting go, it's just another way to say I always love you so. Salamat po sa mga nag-invite. We had the right love at the wrong time. Maybe we've only just begun. Maybe the best is yet to come. Somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when, but somewhere down the road, I know that heart of yours will come to see that you Alright. Sa mga gusto mag-request na kayo. Pag kaya ko, kakantayin ko. Pag hindi, sorry po. Pero kakayanin natin para sa inyo. Mga nagre-request dyan. Sa buong Pilipinas at mundo. Kung may mga nanonood na mga foreigner dyan, kakatawag sa inyo. Linda Latore, Linda. Mga nag-invite ko, Tita Sherry, Cheche Celadora, and Gigi Brown. Ito sa inyo. Carmen, Sally Quezon, thank you. Nalalaglag ka. Makinig ka lang sa akin baka gumaling ka sa aking mga sa live streaming ng kanta. Under the lover's moon. Sa mga nagtitiwala sa aking boses, salamat sa inyo. Lover's moon, won't you Romay Palin, hello sa your request. Midnight Blue. Sige. Para gumaling ka na ng tulo yan. Midnight Blue. Yeah. Atalia Rebecca. Shout sa'yo. Hello sa'yo. Maganda. Tanghalian. Good afternoon to all of you. I know she's waiting. She's waits for me under the lover's moon. Diva 67. Hello sa'yo. yata ito. Seriously. Try natin ang Midnight Blue mo. Midnight Blue. Lucky, hello sa'yo. Shout, sino dyan? Francis Sarmiento. Francia Sarmiento ba? Sarmiento? Rosa Perez. Hello sa'yo. Lucky, hello sa'yo. Roy. Ito na po yung request ni Yoli na Pangasinan. Para kumalik ka na ng Uluyan. Roberto Ipondo sa'yo. Alright, Midnight Blue request ni Yoli na Pangasinan. Yeah, Electric Light Orchestra.